Hello YouTube. Today we got the AK47 FS airsoft swing gun, and in the box there's not a lot that comes. You got your instructions, your crappy sling, your magazine, and your AK. Now the gun, it's all plastic. It was fake and everything. And then you got the logos and all that on the side. You got your sights and everything. Okay. And your magazine goes in like this. And here's your safety. And the good thing about this is that you don't have to pull this all the way back. It has to go a little bit. And you got your hop up, and the gun overall is just a very good looking. It's very how would you say, strong. It's not wobbly or anything. The clip is a little bit wobbly though. Nothing bad. I mean, I guess. You know. But this gun was only $20, and yeah, it's really, I think it's a good price for what the gun is. And yeah, but the bad thing is that the orange piece, like, it's too large for what it is. But overall, I think it's a good looking gun. It's a good size and everything. But yeah, they'll have to do it for this unboxing, and hope you enjoy. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be making a fire test out of this gun after a while. So yeah.